welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up and comment below section. So guys, into this video I'm gonna show you that how this cosmetic pouch turn into a bag. So this is, I choose from the strap and Gucci mini Marmont because the strap, so guys, because the strap is a brass hardware and the name is just like similar to the strap, like a brass brown, light brown. That's why I choose this one. It's match, like how it's matched with this one, and you can use this one as a clutch as well. This tab in here is actually stitched. This really attached together. So what I did, guys, I just used this small scissor, and let me show you guys because it's really hard, and I thought it was already open, but it's not. What I did, I just cut into the middle, so at least the stitching you cut it off. And so you have to be careful because the material, it's so easy to tear it off. So yeah, that's only what I did. And then I used this one and hook, and I use other tools to pull this strap because it's really hard to push in. You have to use another material, which is, I forgot what you call that one. Pliers. So my husband said it's a flyer. So yeah, it's actually helping me doing that. So look at this, guys, and I will show you also, I'm gonna show you also that what can fit of these items. Look how beautiful this red shimmery, it's like the material, it's like it's actually a canvas, and it's just shimmery. I love it. It's perfect for a party, going night out, especially the Christmas is coming. And yeah, I just bring this one. Look at this, it's so cute. And if I want to do a shoulder, like a shoulder bag, I just pull this two strap together, and then I just do like that. I always do that if I just make it two knot, guys. And then let's see, so put this side all the way in here, so at least it has like a design. Let's see, there you go. You have a shoulder strap now. Look how cute is that. So you're just holding like that. It's so perfect, guys. I just use that one. I knot this both end, so you can make it like that, or you can undo that thing again, the strap, so you can have a long, like a crossbody bag. You can adjust if you want to use a shoulder bag. I just again tie this side like that. So I will do the other one as well. So just find a way that which one is perfect length for you. So let's see. So that one would be fine, and I will tie this too. Yeah, I just tie the knot both side, and that what it looks like. So there you go, guys. You have like a shoulder bag now. I don't know if you can see. There you go. And now let's see what fits of this cosmetic pouch. It's really cute. I use this my phone actually fit in my Chanel old case. It's actually fit as well over here. Let's see. Compact powder. If you're going night out, you only need lipstick, powder, and perfume, you know, because you want to smell good all the time. Lipstick, I always carry 2 lipstick, and this Tom Ford one. Look at this, guys. It fits everything you need in there, and you still have another space to put in. Look how pretty is that. And then if I don't want to bring my mini case, I'm gonna use this Chanel card holder, and voila. It's this cosmetics pouch is really to have on your collection, because very useful. You can use as a clutch, crossbody bag, shoulder bag, and you can use like a handheld like I showed you a while ago. And then let's see if it fits with my pocket agenda. I got my pocket agenda in here. Sometimes I use this one. So this, see that one? I'm gonna show if it actually fits in here. Yes, guys, it's actually fit. Look. Oh my God. And look at that. They have Chanel name of the. There you go, guys. It's so cute. It's really nice. I probably, if we have a Christmas party, I will use this cosmetic pouch. So look at it, it's so cute. Look how it is. It's very nice in camera to show up this. And like I said, it's really perfect on the night out or Christmas party, just bringing this. And so yeah, I hope, guys, it's very helpful to you. That go on, check on Chanel website or Saks Avenue and Neiman Marcus. And this is not sponsored, guys. I just show you how I use this cosmetic pouch into a bag. So there you go. Hopefully this is very helpful, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.